Hey everyone! Quick hands-on review of the FiiO Snowsky disc after spending some time with it. This thing sits in that $80 to $99 range, and the first thing you'll notice is the design. It's clearly inspired by the old iPod Nano vibe, that round, retro-futuristic look. And honestly, it feels way more premium than you'd expect at this price. Inside, you've got dual Cirrus Logic CS43131 DACs, and the sound is the real highlight here. It's clean, slightly warm, and just really easy to listen to. You also get both 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced output, which is impressive for a player this small. Now the downside, the software. The circular touchscreen is cool, but the UI takes some getting used to, and things like playback controls feel oddly placed. Also, no Wi-Fi streaming and no true gapless playback, which might annoy some people. Battery is solid at around 12 hours, and microSD support goes up to 2TB. So yeah, great for offline, distraction-free listening. Not for streamers.